The cat who wore shoes. Meresjitungi. The race begins, but the cat stops for a beautiful butterfly. The starting gun fires and the cat takes an early lead. Mid-race focus breaks as the iridescent butterfly appears. The other racers speed past the distracted cat. The starting gunshot echoes, signaling the race begins. The cat uses its new shoes to gain an impressive early lead. The competition is momentarily forgotten as the cat observes the butterfly. The cat is mesmerized, allowing the other racers to pass by. The race is over, and the cat watches the winners finish far ahead. The butterfly is gone, but the cat smiles, remembering the beauty. Finding joy in the small moments, the cat leaves the competition behind.